In this video, I'm going to be building my dream editing and gaming setup. Alright, so before I start building my new setup, I need to build a new desk first. So I actually got a new desk from FlexiSpot here that they sent out to me. It's a super nice desk. I'm excited to build it and see what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and get straight into unboxing it and let's see what it looks like. I have this idiot brother right here that's going to help. Alright, so I got the box open now, and I actually got this desk frame in white, so it's gonna look super clean. So the boxes look super nice because they're all labeled here, so you can kind of see like what everything is. And I'm assuming there's probably like a manual somewhere, but
it's right here.
Well, then grab it. Alright, so we got the first part of the desk assembled, which is just basically screwing down this like frame to the main bracket or whatever. So now we just gotta go ahead and screw it into the desk here. Alright, so here's what the actual desk looks like. It's 60 by 30 and it's chipboard and it looks like maple, so super clean. It's gonna look super nice with the white frame right here. Alright, so we finally got the desk put together. As you can see, we got the desk frame mounted to the desk now. We pretty much did everything while the camera was off. It was honestly super easy to do. The only thing we had trouble with was the cable management like tray thing here. It was actually kind of confusing because like it'd like screw these in and then like pinch it underneath it, I don't know. But it looks good now, so what we're gonna do is flip it over and turn it on and see if it works. What are those shoes?
Bro, Off-White.
Oh man, no man. What the hell?
Alright, so here we go. We got the desk all put together and it's actually looking super good. As you can see, we got the screen here. Not totally sure how to use it yet, but it's also cool. It has this little USB port right here, so you can like plug in your phone or whatever, but yeah. Oh, whoa. This is insane. It just keeps going.
It says it's gonna go to like 48.
Holy.
Oh my gosh, it's taller than me.
And it's actually like so sturdy too, like even for it being this tall, it like barely even moves, which is insane. What's also super cool about this is you can create custom presets, so like you can go to a certain height and then just hit like M or whatever, and it just create your custom preset. So you click the button, and it'll go to that certain height. That is actually so sick. So you can create a stand preset right here. So if you click that button, it'll go to the standing position, and then you can hit 2, which will go down to the sitting position. But I just don't have the setup right now because I don't have any of my like height set up, so it's pretty sick though. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting together all this stuff onto the desk here. Get everything moved from here onto the desk, including the monitor arms, and I'm not sure if we want to put the PC on top of the desk yet or leave it on the bottom, but it's a pretty wide desk. It's 60 inches, so I might have room for that, but if not, then I'll have to put it down here and get something to put the PC on, because I know having the PC on the carpet, just if it's on the carpet, then it'll just like have no airflow, so yeah, we don't want that. I also almost forgot that I also got delivered this like cable management tray, so I'm gonna go ahead and install that. But as you can see, I now have the 2 monitors, and I did end up putting my PC on the desk here. It actually looks super clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this cable tray, so I'll see you guys when it's all installed. Okay, so I got the cable tray put in right here. I just screwed it into the desk right there, so now all I have to do is connect the cables to the PC and then to the monitors and then my keyboards and stuff like that. So that's pretty boring, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'll see you once it's all done. Okay, so as you can see, I have the cables plugged into this monitor right here and going through this little like cable management that is built into this little arm here, so it looks super clean. You can almost like not even tell, especially from right here. Like you can't even tell that there are wires going into that monitor. But what I realized is these cables don't even reach the outlet when the desk is fully up. So my plan to fix that problem is to actually use one of these like power strips right here, but the problem with that is this cable is only 2 feet long. So my idea was to put it in this cable tray right here and then have this cable go into the outlet right there. Also, don't mind that. I'm not totally sure what happened there, but hopefully I can get that fixed. But anyways, so yeah, I can't really use this just because the cable is way too short to even reach the outlet in that box right there. So I'm actually gonna head over to Best Buy right now to try to find one of these power outlet things, just because I kind of want one so I can actually use my setup and power on everything. So they probably have one, so I'm gonna head over there right now and see what I can get. Alright, so they got these right here. This is exactly what I need. 4-foot cord, that should work. Bang, $20. You know what, I'll take it.
What? You gonna hop on my car?
Alright, so Best Buy did end up having a power strip. It's actually a power surge also, which is actually super nice because we lose power from like lightning and thunderstorms literally like every month here. So it's actually gonna be super nice to have in my setup, just so like when the power does go out, none of my components will actually get damaged, especially my PC. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this power strip and I'll see you guys when that's installed.
A few moments later.
I kind of just got carried away and literally just put everything together. Got all the cables connected, everything is working perfectly. Right now the desk is lowered so you can sit in it and just use it like that normally. But what's super cool about this is you can click one button and just like that it'll start raising up, and it's actually super fast. And even with all of this stuff on here, probably weighs it down quite a bit, but it still goes up super quick. Just like that, it's all the way at the top, so you can literally go in here, do your thing. I have it set to 49 inches here and it works pretty good for me. So yeah, I really like how this all came together. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. I've been working on this video pretty much all day, so I'm pretty exhausted. As you can see, I got the whole desk built together here. I'm actually super excited on how everything turned out. The white mouse pad and the black keyboard and mouse with this like wood look right here is just super clean. So I'm also excited to try editing while standing up. I think it's gonna be a good mix of like sitting down and stuff. So I think I'm gonna really enjoy that. And if you guys do wanna go ahead and pick yourself up one of these desks, I'll have it linked down in the description below. But yeah, with that being said, if you guys wanna see more videos like this in the future, then make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.